Alrighty folks, what we're looking at here today is a white 36-inch Kmart Atlantic Air Spinner. Got this 2 years ago from cleanup week. This fan came along. There was also another fan in this in the pile that this was in. It was a Kmart Alaska in antique brass. I just made a video of that fan. It's interesting, tiny. Bit of gold band around the motor, stamped steel blade arms, no stencil, no cane. You know, your really basic spinner fan. And without any further ado, we'll give it a demonstration here. Here's the light. Here's the fan. It's in pretty good shape. It is a little buzzy, but that's to be expected for a cheap old Kmart fan. And it is rather fast, so performs decent enough. I would say that this fan dates probably 94 on it. It's probably correct. It's probably from the early to mid 90s, late 90s possibly too. Here's medium. Does have a bit of bearing noise. It's probably because I haven't used it in a while. And here's high. It's a fast little fan. Moves a pretty good amount of air too. You can feel a little breeze back here. Wobbles just a little bit, but it's not so bad. This thing was really out of whack when I found it. It was really bent. I had to put the blade arm in the vise, one of them. Yeah, it was wicked. head again. And spin down. This is like the Hampton Bay Grayton One's little brother. That's too funny. I'll show you what I mean when the fan stops spinning. Alright, so now that it's come to a stop, I'll actually show you what I mean by it. Looks like it's the Hampton Bay Grayton One's little brother. I cannot unsee it now. It looks like it Hampton Bay Grayton's little brother. That's too funny. Anyway guys, I'll end the video here, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.